Hello, today you're looking at a Darrah 1000 amp 8 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. The unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. It's in good working condition. We'll start it up here in a second so you can see and hear it go. It does have a brand new remote with digital meters. Here is the remote. Overall dimensions, 43 inches long by 29 inches wide by 60 inches high. It is a filtered unit. And we'll come back around and turn it on so you can see and hear it go. Over here, take a look at the O-scope wave. Essentially zero. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.